kitchen. Tonight we will be doing our green goodness veggie saute for dinner. Yeah, we're trying to stay healthy. So alright, let me show you what I have now. I have some kale, right? Nice green pretty kale me get. It's so nice. And I have some of this Green Giant stir fry blend, onion and garlic. Over here I have some baby bok choy, and I had these in water. Make sure so them soak and revitalize the leaf. Them so them springy. You see that? See that? See that? Look at it. Spring. Watch the spring. Spring. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Got that spring. That spring. Alright. Yeah, over here have some green beans. Alright. So I go cut up all of them something here. Wash this. Cut up them here. Stir fry them up with some olive oil and some saltfish. Yeah, cause you know we have to put a little saltfish in it to make sure so we get a little, you know, permutation. Yeah. So let me show you we're going over in the kitchen side. So in this pot now I have about 2 pounds of saltfish or salted pollock. Not the regular saltfish like what we used to at Jamaica. The boneless salted pollock that may I use. And see, the pot.
No, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Hold on. The pot. You see the people in your house, you can't even do a decent video because people in your house are ball out and I make nice. Over here now, let me tell you, I have some ripe plantain, I have some American sweet potato, some Jamaican sweet potato, I have some purple Irish potato, and I cook up that. And I got stir fry my thing now in a this. So the saltfish here so now, I make sure so I get me desalinate it, get out the salt out of it. So I boil it 2 times, about 2 or 3 times, and then mince it up and ready for go. You understand what I say? You have the belly in a what? In a furry. Hold on, pot turn over. Pot boil over. Alright, so we have the pot warm now. I'm going to put some olive oil. I use olive oil blend. This is olive oil and sunflower oil. I'm going to use that, you know, for the real thing, you see?
Yes, it.
So the first thing I got to add my garlic.
Garlic.
And my onion. I just add garlic and onion. So I'm going to try to get a stir fry quick, you know.
Yes. Real quick. Real quick.
Use my rubber spoon.
Rubber spoon.
So I put my onion in big.
Onion in big.
Yeah, echo?
Sorry. Sorry.
Yes, that's how I like it. That's how I like it. It looks very, very nice. You notice I put a nice amount of oil in it, right?
Yeah.
Because good oil and a bad oil. You understand? So we're good right there, so. You see?
Yes.
And then I'm going to turn up the heat a little bit. And I'm going to put my saltfish. You notice I now break them up, right? I now break up the saltfish because you see by the time you don't stir the pot and do all of that, the saltfish have a naturally break up. You understand? You see? So they're very, very tender, you know.
Very tender.
So by the time you stir on the pot 2 tools, it naturally break up. And you can just help it along by using your spoon or your spatula and make it, you know, do that thing there. The time, you know. Alright. How it look, Mayo?
It look very eatable right now.
It look very eatable.
Eatable right now.
Alright.
Me eat this like that right now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
We don't want nothing else to eat, just that.
Hold on, man. The string bean, I never put in this. The string bean, they take long to cook.
Yes.
But now, I cut them up, you know?
Yes.
I not really cut them small.
No.
Just I cut them big, you know?
Yes.
The opposite of small is big.
It's big, yes.
It's, you know?
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
Wash them clean, cut them up and make sure them clean up and thing.
Yes.
And everything is being rough chopped.
Yes.
Rough chopped. Repeat after me. Rough chopped.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is what they call rustic cooking.
Cooking.
Yes.
Yes.
You know, this is the vegetarian style.
Vegetarian.
Yes.
Yes.
And you see most of the Rastaman in Jamaica.
Rastaman.
Them aside from the saltfish, some of them hide and put the saltfish.
Some of them hide.
Yeah, me feel so.
Me face so too, them hide.
But me not incriminate none of them, you know?
Not incriminate none of them.
Yeah. But see there.
See there.
Watch the my this look good enough.
This is very, very intelligent. Yes.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
That is so divine.
That is so supernatural.
Yeah.
Supersonic.
It is very eloquent and intelligent.
Yes, yes.
When you eat them vegetables, you want to get a little crunch in your mouth. You know what?
Like, I go.
Crunch. Yeah, crunch. So that look good?
That looks very good. Very delicious.
Alright, so my vegetable now. You always make sure that my vegetable wash, you understand?
Wash.
Like wash your vegetables in a colander.
Yes.
Next thing, you buck up in a worm.
Worm.
Although the worm not bad still, because a vegetable the worm I eat.
Yes.
You know, the worm have more protein.
Yes, protein.
See that? Me snow peas, broccoli, and baby carrot, you see?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Look there.
Look there. Yes.
Mate, you look like you want to eat some stuff.
No, yes. You can get one carrot then?
No, them it burn you.
Make it burn me.
It's one liquor one, eh?
Yes. Well, it tastes so good.
Now I tell you, it is very, very intelligent. Very intelligent. Alright, now go cut up the kale then. Now cut up the kale here and then add it to it. So now go stop the camera and then just cut up them kale here and come back when we add it. I have some pak chow or bok choy and I put in the white part because the white part takes a little longer to cook. So I put in the white part right now. Yeah, and make it stir. You see how the thing are going good now? Never a secret weapon. Now, by the time them vegetables reach a certain point, them absorb some of the oil, like especially the saltfish too. Saltfish absorb some of the oil. So never a secret weapon. Flavor and health. That's coconut oil. You understand? Flavor and health. So I'm soon add some of that to it. Alright? So the next thing I add now is my bok choy and my kale. I can add them together.
Yes.
And just finish, do some little seasoning, put some scotch bonnet pepper and some red pepper.
Yeah.
Alright, you can pause here.
I'm pausing right now.
So we have the bok choy leaf then now. We're going to add them. And then we're going to just add the kale same time too.
Kale.
Alright, so I have the kale, make sure I wash my kale and dry out my kale and add in my kale and yeah. You know one girl named Mikhail too, you know?
You see, Kaylee. Hey, Kaylee. Yes.
And then now you stir this a little bit here. You have to leave this, make it wilt a little bit. You can't too stir kind of on the pot. You don't want it to fly out of the pot, you know?
You see.
But by the time it's stirred 2 times, it's ready, you know?
It's ready to eat.
Yeah.
You go eating right now, eh?
I put some black pepper and some little thing in it and, you know?
Make it look pretty.
Yeah, make it look
very pretty.
Nice, you see? Watch your man, look how the food look good.
That is very pretty. Very beautiful, yeah?
Green and pretty, them things are good for your body, you understand?
Very good.
It's very good for your body and your structure.
It's good for your eyeballs too.
Yes, it makes your structure and your very components.
It's pretty good for your back, eh?
Yeah, your back and your head and your stomach. That's your man? This looks very divine.
Is you ready?
It's not ready yet. Alright, see me have one scotch bonnet pepper.
You know all I'm not hungry.
Have a scotch bonnet. Me not pay attention to you now. My youth, make sure say none of the pit them not get none of the pepper, you know. Because I nah go hospital.
Me can't eat pepper.
Me put more. You know when they run this so. All of a sudden everybody have a problem. And nobody never see for cooking out. Nobody saw it. Only me saw it.
My independent.
Yeah, only me alone saw it.
Where do?
Saw it.
You saw it?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
See, that coconut oil, my
yeah, it is very intelligent.
It is so intelligent. You see, you have to force it out of the back.
Supersonic.
You know? So, yeah, the coconut oil is very good, ladies and gentlemen.
And it's very healthy for you.
Yes. It assists the permutation
of the equation.
Of the exuberance.
No. The what?
The exuberance.
I thought it was the equation.
Oh, the equation too. Some garlic powder. I know we like with garlic powder, right?
Yes, we got a half that.
And we have some black pepper.
Yes.
Yeah. Natural, see?
So it goes
natural black pepper.
So you can say black, hey. Natural black pepper. But you really? Really?
Alright, let me find some herbs now, yeah?
Herbs.
This is Jody's kitchen.
Yes.
And I like Jody. Her name is a very good name.
It is.
And in our kitchen, she have nice herbs.
Yes, yes.
I've been using Jody's kitchen for a little while now.
Right.
This is Lawry's seasoned salt. Not seasoning salt, seasoned salt.
Seasoned.
Yeah. So you don't want to use a lot because you're using the saltfish already.
Yes, with the duh on it. Seasoned.
Let me see. The complete seasoning, just a little bit.
Just a little bit, not too much.
Not too much, yeah.
Just a little bit. It's going to taste so very good.
Yes.
Yes.
And then, let me see what else I have in this kitchen now.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm coming back to you guys now with a little bit of I'm looking for my ponzu, for my Japanese influence. Yes, my ponzu. I'm using a little bit of ponzu sauce. It's like a stir fry sauce.
Yes.
But it have a little citrus.
Citrus. Like a little hump in it, huh?
Yeah, like orange. Like I use orange or lime.
Yes, yes.
Yes, my ponzu sauce. Now, a lot of people will say too much seasoning, but watch it, man. Just watch it.
Yes.
When my pot cook, my pot have a nice.
It's gonna be so nice.
Yes, look there.
So, in already yet?
Yeah, it's virtually ready.
I'm hungry, man. I'm very hungry.
My youth, you pay me for this?
No.
Well, stop it, nice.
Sorry.
What's your man?
Well, your wife is not paying you, and she said she don't want the workshop.
Yeah, make sure stay there.
No workshop.
Watch it, my youth.
That look good for real, no, man.
You want to taste it? You want to taste it?
Yes. You know, I want to taste it.
Watch it, man. Wow. This ready? Lock off.
It lock off?
Yeah, lock off.
It done?
Yeah.
I mean, it done for eat? Hey.
Lock it off for me, please.
The big one?
Folks, see the finishing here. See me share it out for one nice Christmas-ish looking plate.
Yes.
And Mayut, I earned this.
Yes, thanks.
Yeah. So
yes.
Taste it and tell me.
You want to taste it now?
Yeah.
Right
this
now.
is my spring mix, I call it, with codfish and saute, nicely and things. Someone when you can't get up, come look for the food.
Taste it now?
Yeah, you can taste it. And that's the sweet potato, the Jamaican sweet potato. And then this is the purple potato over there, so. And then the American potato over there, so. And then the something over there. Oh, it tastes. My mouth of water, I know. Wow, it looks very nice. Very nice. Yeah, the belly in a foreign. Like, share, subscribe, tell your friend them everything.
Tell your friend.
Yeah.
Look here. Look how this look good. Watch I know. I'm done. We're done.
Bye.